hinges on the top. What else we got in there? Oh, what do we got? That's coming with us. That's coming. It's one of those heavy duty door frames. Big old door frames. Oh yeah, that's a big boy. Worth a stop. Told you this dumpster pays. Y'all know where I am. You guys follow me. And thank you to my first 77 subs. I appreciate you guys. I love you so much. Keep on grinding. Keep on shining. Keep on grinding. Got a nice big door handle. This is all swap meetable, the whole dumpster. It's for the swap meet. Some wood wrapped in plastic, too hard to get to. We'll just stick to it now. One with a black handle. Here's the pieces. Ooh. Huh. Real nice. You never know what you're gonna find. Commercial door handles. Black satin. On top of that. Keys. This is where the dreams are made of. Opportunity comes a knocking, you better answer the door. You can answer the door with this. Even better yet, I got a key to my door. Oh, they're blanks. Blank keys. Need another box for this. I think the whole dumpster's full. Pretty sure the whole dumpster's full of this stuff. It's July 6th, 2024. Everybody else is partying Saturday. We're dumpster diving. Getting that money. Getting that money, honey. Look, there's way more boxes. And it goes all the way back, so got a lot of work to do. All right, so I'm gonna scour the dumpster. I don't know if you guys want to come along for this. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. But you can fast forward if you want till the end. I'm gonna show you the whole haul of this dumpster. I don't even know where to put the stuff. I'm so excited. All right, here we go. This is why you always collect suitcases, because they got wheels on them. So you pack your stuff in the suitcase, you roll it to the swap meet, and you sell the damn whole thing. whole damn thing goes. Everything in it and the suitcase. This one says wrong throat. So I'm 6'3", 7.5, 8 feeder, 8 footer. 2 of them. 2 big heavy duty metal door frames. Wrong throat. Well, it's the right throat today. Back in it. So what we have here is lots of parts and pieces for door handles. The Schlange. It'll add up. It always does. It always adds up. And we're doing the swap meet. Swap meet central. Oh yeah. Look at this one. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Box is full. Box is full. The box is full. The box is full. The box is full. Almost. The box is half full. The box is half full, but it's not half empty. It'll never be half empty. You're never broke if you always carry a penny on you. Or if you have the right mindset, you don't need no money. I'm never broke because I got a brain. Ooh. Got another one. Another big one. That's what she said. This one's electronic. Best. It's got wires sticking out of it and stuff. Might as well keep that in the original box. Got all the parts here and pieces to it. Someone's gonna eat this up tomorrow, man. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. See, July 6th. Nobody around. Everybody's at the beach. We're at the bar. We're in the dumpster getting that money. It goes all the way. All these boxes might have some presents in them, and I think they do. Look. Wow. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, it goes deep. It's the whole box. The whole thing is full. I'm gonna fill up the car. Got another heavy duty door handle with the latch. Let's see. Ives hinge. Oh, you know what? If we could find a case of these, we're in the money. I think we're in the money anyway. Let's see what we got in here. Hinge is brand new. In the plastic. 4.5 by 4.5 solid hinge. Ives hinge 211. Complete with screws and in the box. Let's go. What's this? Oh, it just keeps going. Another one with the wires on it too. I think they got rid of their whole inventory of the store or something. Another one. More. Guys, there's more. I'm losing stuff. So I got one hand again. I'm losing stuff. No. Never let it go slip down, because then once it goes to the bottom of the dumpster, you'll never get it again. Davy Crockett's locker, Davy Jones' locker. Come on, fat boy. Get in there, fat boy. It goes for miles. It's the whole dumpster. All right, went through all that. Got to here. Got to this part over here with all these boxes and found these Glenn Johnson architectural hardware. I don't know. Tell me how much these are. Brand new. 79 series. Heavy duty spring loaded hinges. Stainless steel. Real heavy duty. Comes in a big old box. And yep, that's what we're doing on July 6th. I stopped drinking, so now I can focus more on this, you know? No drinking, no drugs, staying busy. God rewards those that work hard, I'm telling you. Just put the work in and help people. And have fun doing it. This is fun to me. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else. But in a dumpster, gathering this kind of stuff. Saving it from the landfill, making money, and finding cool stuff. Dude, if you had to buy these hinges, come on, you're not telling me. This one right here, still wrapped in plastic. Architectural, you know? They're beauties. This one's a little smaller. But they're still beauties. This one's in a box also. So I don't know why people would throw away brand new stuff, but it has a lot of dust on it. You can see that, like I'm wiping all this dust off. So they're closing down, you know what I'm saying, or something. But my job isn't to ask questions about that. My job is to collect it and fast. But I'm gonna look these up later. I don't know how many there are, but theirs are nice. I'm on an angle here too, so everything's falling the freak out. I need another box. Alright. Let's see what we could do here. Pretty cool. Installation instructions for 9-case cylindrical locks. Factory prepared doors only. Best. The best comes out of me when I work hard, I know that. Just keep working. Look, my head's down. My head's down in the dumpster, just staying on the grind. And look what happens, you get rewarded. Out of nowhere. And you know what? I was almost about to turn around because I'm doing the swap meet. And I was gonna load the car up tonight. But something told me to come down here. I said, you know what? I haven't been to my dumpster in a while. They were waiting for me. I'm blessed. Oh, we got Yale too. Yale. We got stuff from Schlange, Yale, Architectural Factory. There's more. It's just as far as you can see. All right, back to the car. I'm gonna take another load. All right, worked off another layer. Now we're getting down to the Falcon door hinges. These are for the hydraulic door hinges. More of these hinges. More of these ones. More door handles. Oh, these are little small ones. how much these are worth, but I'm taking them. We'll take them. There's the arms. Oh, rubber door stops. Lots of them. I better take this before it gets too heavy. It doesn't stop. It's everywhere. It's everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. Everywhere. Filled up the box. No way. Found the mother lode. Found the mother lode. Cases of them. I knew it. All those hinges. Those big heavy duty hinges. I knew it. Now I'm into the case loads. Case load. More. More. Oh my goodness, it's everywhere. It's falling down. It's all around. Guys, this is insane. Look at it all. Gotta get another box. Gotta get another box. Oh yeah, the hinges, the hinge box. Look at it all this is hinges, the whole box. Trying to keep everything in the box that it came in, but it's pretty freaking hard. Just gonna put all those parts in one box, I guess. I don't know. This stuff's everywhere. It's kind of overwhelming. You just got to do it. Packs of brad nails. Box. What do we got here? Stainless steel door handles. How many of those are there? Ooh, more stuff in the packages. More hinges in the box. Gotta love stuff in the box. Put it in the box. Let's go over here and see what this Yale's all about. I got my box of hinges. Still trying to clear some space to my hinges. All right, found the hinges. Got to get them all in one shot. This box is ripping. Take this out. Take this one. Those two can go. Got another one. Finally got to the hinges. There's more down there. Gotta get them all. See how many we can fit. This is when you get the mother loads. Mother load of all loads. Of course, you need a little bit of the stainless steel screws too. All right, let's go. Hinges. More hinges. Damn box. More hinges. More door handles. That's a good one. Packs of screws. Feasting, baby, we're eating. Look at that one. All right, we're over in the Yale section. Oh wow, it's every box is Yale over here. They're all Yales, big ones too, all big. Let's see what's. They're full of these boxes, so there's lots of these boxes. What's in them? What is in it? Door handles and door handle pieces and accessories. Let's go. Ass a boy. Add a boy. Let's see. Yep. There's cases and cases. Must be the same model number or whatever. It's the 5300 LN grade 2 or 4700 LN grade 1 cylindrical lever lock sets by Yale. In the box. Boxes and boxes and boxes. I'm gonna get them all even if I have to come back. Second load. Let's go. And I forgot, this is all metal door frames or window frames. All of it down there. About halfway through, filling the car up all the way. I got 2 of those big door frames. We're loaded. Loading her up. We're gonna have it full. I'm doing that damn thing. Cleared this whole section. Now I'm back into here. There's the Yale. I got all that stuff back up into here now. And then what do we got? Okay. The big Schlange. Coming through with the big Schlange. The guy with the big Schlange. It's located the big Schlange. In the box. In the box. The big Schlange got the big Schlange. But I'm in this section now. See what this one is. This is a whole case of these. What is this? Let me take from here so it doesn't fall back on me. This is Yale too. Alright. Cases and cases and goes way deeper than I thought. So got another box of Yales. And then a bunch of these with the wires on them. Ready to go. Security box. And it goes way deeper than I thought. This is full. It's all full. I'm getting there. We're doing it. Cleared all that. All this way. Got to the end. Not to the end. I'm halfway. Got a lot left. See all these? That's full. They're in there. This one's in there. Got those. All these. That case. That case and that case up there. And then there's more down there in the depth. So I'm making my way that way. Love suitcases. Even if there's nothing in them, collect suitcases. Perfect for storing stuff, and then you roll them into the swap meet. Just like that. So sun's going down. Still got some more work to do. So if we need an empty box, I'll use that one. And we'll try to get as many in these boxes as we can. Look at all that work I did. We're getting there. And there's still metal frames under here. Metal frames, there's door frames here. Door frames here. Door frames here. Brand new. Brand new heavy duty door frames all underneath of me. Heavy duty window frames, commercial, everywhere. Told you the dumpster pays once you find your favorite one. It's hard not to go back to her. All right, I'm here for the Yale. We're here for the Yale. All right, so I'm taking out 8 per case. I don't know how many cases I got. 8 per case. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cases left. That's 80 boxes. We're in there. Getting her done, son. Get all the way down. I got a few left. So they said old on them, but they're new, but they're old. It's old, new, old stock. Old, new stock. But look, I got down to these metal frames now. Let's grab them. Metal frames. Metal frames. Metal frames. Metal frames. And metal door frames everywhere. Look at them. Metal door frame, metal door frame. Metal door frame, metal door frame, metal door frame. Let's see this one. This is one of the ones that they don't go vertical, they go horizontal. This is a horizontal. What do you think, guys? Should I take them? Should I keep going? Should I keep going? I almost got all the door locks, but you can't leave these door frames. I still got room on the roof. We're pretty much packed though. I got the front seat, the back, everything's full. I don't know if I could fit any more, but we still got the roof. What do you think? Should we do it? Should we not stop and get all those? All right, see what we can do. I got a few of these cases left. I made it all the way back to the wall. I can touch the wall. I think we're on the last case. There's one, maybe two. Yep, 2 more. Dos más. Dos más. I got more locks than Pinellas County Jail, dude. You ain't getting in my place. Let's go, pack the car. Packing it and stacking it. Who's your favorite lock collector of all? I'm your favorite lock collector's favorite lock collector. You see, some people go to Harvard. All you had to do is go to Yale. All you had to do was go to Yale and you will prevail. Now you're an old fard tard because you went to the hard. Nah, just playing. I ain't got no college degree, but you're gonna see me succeed. Because I go to college of YouTube. University of that YouTube, baby. Learn anything you need to know on YouTube. Like how to dumpster dive for Yale locks. How to dumpster dive for Yale locks. Episode number 1. Thought that was the last one, but it's not. One more hiding down here. What we got over here? A little pile of little breadcrumbs, little morsels. This is gonna be fun. All right, we did that. We did that. Save it from the landfill. I think this is fun. Nothing else I'd rather be doing. Hanging out by myself in a dumpster collecting some metal pieces. Entertaining myself. And you guys, hopefully you guys are entertained. Oh yeah, look at this. I'm entertained. Go buy a pack of screws, stainless steel like that at Ace Hardware, $7. I'm not kidding, man. It's no joke. $7 for that little bag, I'm guaranteed. At Ace. It's like $2 or $3 if you can even find it at Home Depot. Bags and bags and bags of them. Bags, bags, and bags. More. Well, it's getting late, and if I gotta get these door frames, I gotta get a move on. But that was the last 2 boxes. Saved a little room on the driver's side so I can see out the mirror. Gotta be able to see. But otherwise, we're packed. I got 6 left. 6 little pieces left. Overflowing. Overflowing, and I got 6 left. Let's go. And I think I don't know what's going on, but there's 5 per row. 10 per box. Not 4 per box. Some have 4 because they were missing one, but yeah, my counting was a little off. There's 10 per box, and I got about, I don't know, 15 cases, so there's 150 of these. I got this. All right, let's see. Did it. Shit. Can't even fit my gas can. There's no room. No room. No room. We still got door frames to do. All in all, pretty successful. Filled up the whole car with locks from Yale. We did it. Can't fit anything else in there. And oh yeah, the door frames, they're under all that stuff. I don't know about that. It was a lot of work to try to get them. I'm already packed up, and I gotta be at the swap meet at 5:30 a.m. to get in line. So anyway, we did that. Another fine dumpster cleaned out. The cleanup crew came again. So I cleared that dumpster, and that one usually is pretty good. And then I came over to this one just to look, and what do you know? There's some more stuff. We have the big Schlange. The big Schlange with the brand new black satin. Ooh, the new black satin. Okay. And then we had a new one with the chrome. Then we had another chrome. Then we had the gold tip. Ooh, the gold tip. A bunch of boxes of those commercial door pieces. Saved everything from that landfill. Boxes and boxes of stuff, guys. Boxes and boxes of stuff. More hinges. Big ones. Lights turns 32 watts into 16 LED lights. And there's a couple more things down there, I think. And there's more box locks. I can't even fit anymore. But I found more. And the sun's going down. It's 8:30. I just packed the car as full as I could get it. And then I looked in, thought I was done. There's one more case of something down here at the very bottom of the last dumpster. What's this one? Nice. Heavy duty pen. Heavy duty Sharpie, king size. That's what we like. Ooh, some more Schlanges. Can we fit any more? Yes. Stuff me. We can fit a little bit more. Okay. I don't know what that voice was, but that was the way the car talked. The big Schlange. What do we got? Gold? What do you guys think? Gold? Black? Ooh, it's chrome. I gave it up. I gave it up. These are really nice, actually. Let's just see what we got. Wow, they're awesome. I don't know how much they are. It's a Schlange. But they're really nice. Commercial door handles, directions, and hardware. You know, the screws fell out of the box, but I got plenty of those packs of screws. And some of them didn't. Oh, here we go. Will it say on there? I don't know if it'll say what color they are, but we got another case. 6 more. Let's go. All right, now we're done. Yo, I'm down to the last one. The last one. I had fallen out of the windows. They're falling out of the car. I got them all the way up to the windshield, hanging out of the back. I got one left. I gotta be able to see out the mirror. You can still see. Here we go. We did it. We're packed. Packed, racked, and stacked. Let's see if the window goes up. Barely. About the other one. Got freaking gas cans hanging. Dude, this is packed. 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 Freaking stuff hanging out the windows, hanging out the back. Got the big Schlange. Big Schlange for Mickey Minaj. Licky Minaj. Licky my Schlange. I gotta get the window from the other side. But anyway, it's a beautiful night here. Once again, Poway, California. Just find your favorite dumpster. This one's treated me well. I love you, dumpster. Big D. Big D to the big D. We did it. We made it home. Had stuff falling all over the place. It was worth it. Filled the car up. Suitcase is full too. You know how we do. Stuff falling out. Pack that side. Pack the front. Now we get to reap the rewards. Let's go. It was a blessed day. Very blessed. Thank you, God. Hard work pays off. It truly does.